Our first tester is Melanie Pike. She's the production editor of APC in TechLife and uses Windows professionally every day. Open 3 websites. Just go to Explorer and open 3 tabs with different websites in them. She uses Windows for a job, and yet at this point, with Windows 8, she's already lost. So what are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out how to open 3.
Several minutes later,
I really don't know how to open 3 at once. I have no idea how.
Alright, well maybe you want to flick back to the desktop. But it's not obvious how to do that either.
There's 2!
You've done it. You've got 3 tabs open. Do you know how you've done it?
No.
Not really. Okay, but you managed to do it.
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. That's after 10 minutes. So how'd you find it?
Really tricky.
What surprised you most about it?
It's completely different. It doesn't look anything like I expected.
Sabina Collins is a sub-editor on APC and TechLife. Okay, next thing, I want you to go to Applications and open an example of Word.
Okay. Let's see.
About 8 minutes later, she figures it out via a completely different path, using search.
So I was surprised at how hidden away the basic controls, the basic things are.
There's something popping up over there, but I can't see how I initiate that. That's very strange. It's not intuitive at all.
David Collins, designer of APC magazine, who's used Windows all his life.
Oh!
David eventually figures out how to open Word, but I've asked him to open Excel. You've got to find Excel now?
I've got to go and find Excel, which is not there at all.
At this point, David is completely clueless. The problem is, he's managed to open Word through the Metro interface, but somehow when he quit it, he's found himself back in the old desktop. And from here, he just doesn't know how to open Excel, because the traditional menu isn't there.
Give me good old XP any day. Looks like I've lost my job. This is serious business. I can't work Windows 8. I really think this is bad.
You reckon?
Bad stuff. I really do. I mean, if you've got to re-educate yourself for just another operating system, it's pretty good, probably. But the learning curve for a lot of people would be, is it worth it?
We've asked admin manager Helen Chen to figure out how to open 3 browser tabs. And she gets to it in a completely different way. Ah, you did it via the old desktop. Very good. Well, you met the requirements then. Sally Ryan's a designer on APC and TechLife. She's a Mac user in her private life. I've got her to open 3 Metro apps, but I've asked her to switch between them. I'll spare you the 10 minutes it took her to get to this point.
Oh!
You got it!
Oh, what? That? So those tiny little lines there, I wasn't expecting it to be overly friendly to use because I'm not a big Windows user, but even that shocked me.
Despite the difficulties, do you see the advantages of that interface?
Not initially. Perhaps if I was using it in time I would, but from my short go at it there, I can't see any benefits. Nothing but sheer frustration.